Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I'm going to do a traveling tree ring pour. Why? Because it's my favorite and it makes me happy. I'm going to use one of my split cups. I don't wash these in between, so it's pretty messy, but that's okay. Just let the paint dry and I go right over it. So I'm going to put I think pretty much white and gold in this side. Oh, I'm using the Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint. And that's because I have not taken any time recently to mix paint. Just to be perfectly honest. I've been busy. So, I don't know about you guys, but when I'm stressed out, I like to just pour in a way that just makes me plain happy. And so hopefully we're going to get something really cool today. Here's the blue. This is a weird green that I made myself. So we'll see. I think the only thing that could make this pour better is if I had purple, but I don't. This is some turquoise. Oh, it seems to have like a little clog or something in that bottle. I like turquoise. And then more whites. I think I'm put a white on both sides. Now this is only an 8-ounce cup. Definitely need more ounces of paint for this canvas. So I will likely go around the edges with some white at the end. I didn't put any black in here. You know what? I'm going to put just a smidge of black on this side. And by smidge, I literally mean that. That's all. Alright, and here we go. So I'm going to start over here. I will do traveling tree ring. There's that green. All right, yep, so you can tell we definitely need more paint here. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Why not? I'm gonna go ahead and fill up that cup again and go around that. So I'll do pretty much the same colors. Well, as best as I can remember them. Blue, turquoise, a little bit of that green left. This I just made myself with the blue and the yellow of this same paint, of course. Okay, smidge of black. And then let's go in here with a bit more white on both sides. Whoa, that escalated quickly. All right. Get everything out of the way. I really hope this comes out really pretty. I don't know why exactly, but I have been feeling very stressed. So kind of just doing this as a straight up stress relief at this stage, which is why I picked my favorite technique. Okay, I'm going to be crazy and go right through the middle. Ah, I may regret that. Okay, now there's definitely plenty of paint. I'm just going to move these bottles so I don't knock them over. And then we tilt. Kind of digging that green in there. Definitely in love with the gold. Happy that the black is just kind of a little hint. Didn't overtake anything. Oh, I actually really like that. I'm gonna go a little bit more this way. There. Yay. I feel better already. Art therapy. Okay, cool. Let's let this sit for a little bit, and then we'll come in for our close-up. So I love all the turquoise in this. And one of my favorite things about this paint is the depth. Can you see that with the gold right there? It's gorgeous. And here's that green that I made. Over here. This is that weird part I did in the middle. I'm not sure if I regret that or not. I'm not sure if it would have been better without that or not. But I still like it, so it's all good. And down here. So this one is like a rainforest tiger. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Just for funsies, let me know in the comment what is your favorite or most relaxing technique. And I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to check in the description for all the materials. Bye.